Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Unplug the base and remove the cover so you can see the air chambers and hoses. Inspect visible fittings and the control unit for damage. Listen for hissing while someone gently presses the mattress. Once done, use soapy water on suspected joints to reveal bubbles and note any kinks or pinched hoses. If you find loose connectors, tighten them carefully. Make sure to have replacement hose and basic tools at hand before moving to repairs. You'll now address the leaks. Apply soapy water where you marked and confirm bubbles under steady pressure. Once identified, cut out the damaged hose section or swap in a replacement and secure with proper clamps or manufacturer fittings. Reseat valves and check seals on the air chamber. Use gentle pressure from a hand pump to re-inflate and watch for new bubbles. Then reconnect the control unit, power on, and monitor inflation stability for at least 10 to 15 minutes to ensure the fix holds. You finish by reinstalling the cover and setting your preferred sleep number. Recalibrate the system if the control allows so the readings match feel. If you still see pressure loss, swap hoses between chambers to isolate whether the fault is the internal bladder or the control unit. If the leak is internal, it won't bubble externally and will require a sealed bladder replacement. Contact the manufacturer for parts and instructions. One troubleshooting tip: if repair fails, document.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.